pumpkin season. This dish I've been making for over 20 years, every single year. My friends, my family love it, and it looks very presentative. It's pumpkin stuffed with chicken thighs inside. I had this recipe on my website almost a year, and my friends keep telling me that they feel intimidated to make it because it looks complicated. So I decided to make this video to show you that it's not. Let's get started. So let's cut this pumpkin up. You have to cut to open like a lid to make like a pot looking. So I make kind of cuts just around the pumpkin. Have a big knife and just keep going. And ta-da! We have a pot. So let's scrape everything out and clean it up. I'm using spoon. Kind of, scrape it down. And same with the inside. So if you have not seen pumpkin inside, that's how it looks. All the seeds are released and just dump it out. You can roast those pumpkin seeds. I have a recipe on my YouTube, za'atar pumpkin seeds, but you can use the same method and use your favorite spices. So rub your favorite spices. Today I'm using lemon pepper with a dash of cinnamon and garlic powder. So rub everything inside. That's gonna be your side dish when you eat it. Let's put pumpkin on the side. I have here chicken thighs. I removed the skin. Previous years I used to leave it on. I kind of liked it. I fry it before I put in the pumpkin. I fry on the frying pan and it gets crispy and gives good that flavor. But lately I kind of started to take it off. So I sprinkle some spices on the top. And let's go to fry it. Let's put first kind of skin side down. There's no skin anymore, but kind of that side down. The chicken is cooking, and I forgot to show you that I actually need to add a couple cloves of garlic I minced, actually grated, and just rub all inside of the pumpkin. With chicken, we're not trying to cook it, we're trying to get the sear. That's where the flavor is. The chicken is done. I have baking dish, which is a little bit deeper, just in case pumpkin starts to leak. So the chicken, look, that's what we're going for. It has to be really, really, really good sear. That's where the flavor is. There you go, we stuff it in. Just put inside, no any liquid. You will be surprised. It will open up and it's gonna be like full of liquid. That's how much pumpkin will release. There you go, and some juice in there goes. Look, it's not full, but you can make it full. But mine is halfway. I have eight, how they call it? Chicken thighs. English third language. Sometimes funny things come out. Close it up and goes in the oven. For how long? No one knows. Usually, like that size pumpkin takes around maybe 1.5 to 2 hours. But if it's larger pumpkin, more chicken inside, it might take even 3 hours. So you can't actually plan dinner with it, but it will be done when it will be done. let's shovel in the oven. And when it's one side kind of get a nice burn, and inside everything is done. You see how much liquid? I told you. Ooh, my camera got foggy. I told you it's gonna be very, very juicy inside. Let's serve it.